Good morning, everybody. Market flew up higher yesterday and squeezed, especially into the close. So let's see going on. Just fix one thing here. All right. So ES futures are kind of flat for now, but what's key important thing that's going on right now? We got a dark blue bar on the 4 hour, which means when you see dark blue bars on the TTM squeeze, means either a slow down and a speed of rise up, or consolidation, or change of direction. So for now, it doesn't look like we are falling yet, and it seems like consolidation, and we'll see what's going to be the actions that open. In general, we're still very bullish on daily. Weekly, MACD was way down, but right now is kind of open, like kind of getting flat for now. And then you can see here a statistic fast is upward, and we'll see the action is open. Pre-market right now, 5:15 is upward. Good morning, everybody. So yeah, we'll see if the 30 MACD golden crosses, we are good to go for another run up. Especially thing is keep an eye on Nvidia. If Nvidia recovers and goes green, market can fly up higher. But if Nvidia goes below 900, can drag down market. Um, NQ flat 2, we got dark blue bar on the 4 hour. It's still very bullish on daily. Even though if we maybe go down a little bit at the open, some people may be profit locking. It's been like 3 days market going up. It's a good opportunity, probably most likely on the dip buy. Um, to do same thing like on NQ, 5:15 is up. Need to get a 30 MACD golden cross for more run up. Why Dow Jones daily bullish upward. RTY to do daily bullish upward. 4 hour we are already getting in dark blue bars. If the rates goes lower, this can fly up higher. DXY, we're getting a dark blue bar on the weekly. That's a good sign. The lower this goes, the text can fly up. The trend is going down for now, but keep in mind 4 hours golden cross. But intraday right now, 5 to 1 hour is all downward. ES is flying up higher right now. 10 year 1% lower, that's a very good sign. 4.371, that's the next target. Goes below that, can dump harder lower. And we got a dark blue bar on the weekly too. Wix Wix was funny yesterday. It opened green, it stayed green almost until end of the day, closed 0%. So next target there is 1307. Goes below that, market can squeeze up higher. Until the 4 hour is not golden cross on the VIX, we are still on an uptrend. In general, daily is still downward, weekly is near a dead cross. To BTC, daily MACD is upward, so maybe soon is gonna have another jump up. Maybe usually it does it toward end of the week. Apple news came in that good morning, Adriana. Good morning, Abna. Good morning, Tej. I just saw these. And Apple, the news came in that they're working on AI, but keep in mind, QCOM, Google, I mean, a lot of other companies, they try to work on AI. They put news out. It jumped a little bit temporary, but then, after that, nobody heard about it. And same thing right now. But for now, it's upward. So maybe have some jumps that open. 183.97. Keep an eye on that one. Passes, we're looking at 185, 186.45. And keep in mind, Apple can lift up the market if it goes up crazy. And 5 is up, 1530 is upward, 1 hour is golden cross upward after the earning, so that's a good sign. And weekly MACD is near golden cross, so if 186.45 breaks, it's good to go near all-time high, but it needs to pass this 184 strong. Again, if it goes below 183.2, can fail and go to the lower level. Amazon, near all-time high 189.77. So if you see a 188.65 pass, can go to all-time high, passes that one. We're looking at 190, 192, 195. 15 is up, 4 hours not dead crossed yet, and daily is very bullish. So either all-time high today or maybe next week. Nvidia, nice run up yesterday, but as you can see here, premiums aren't moving that much because they're killing premium. They're killing the IVs. and that's why the premium is not going up. Anyway, in general, right now we got a dark blue bar on the 4 hour. Direction pre-market right now is kind of a mess. 31 hour is downward, so 911 is hovering around it for now. If it pulls back, 907, 903. If it 903 can hold it all the way to 896, 891. Need to get above 812, 912 to go to 917 and higher level, which is 927, 936. Most likely, it's possible to have a dump at open. Then we'll see at which point the buyer is gonna step in and pull it back up again. AVGO can follow Nvidia, so keep an eye on that one. If Nvidia falls, this one follows 1304. If it can hold it, it can go to the lower level 1292, 1281. Need to get above 1314. Then we're looking at 1320 next major. Passes that one, next major is 1340. It's still 4 hours very bullish, so this one does have a chance. Even if it shows weakness at open, it does have a chance to bounce up fast. Daily MACD is golden cross, 4 hours upward, and 1 hour is not dead cross yet. Coin, it was wild at open yesterday. It went up then down. This one it just follows BTC, but in general, weekly MACD is dead cross. Daily is upward, so there's mixed signal there. Key levels to watch for run up and run down is 230 and 220. Once 230 clears, 233, 237, 241. But yo-yo range right now between 220 and 230. If 220 can hold it, 217, 214, 212. Netflix, nice run up last 4 days. Yes, 4 days has been running up crazy. Daily MACD is golden cross, and 600 right now is key. 600 pass, we're looking at 601, 606, 611. 1 hour is dead cross. 15 and 30 is a little bit downward, so if it profit locking at open comes, 591, 587, and 584 are support level to watch. Meta finally broke 450 2 days ago, and then right now is on the run up. 4 hour we get dark blue bar, so 463 if you can hold it, retest lower level 461, 459, 458. Need to pass 465.51 to strong to go to the next level to 468 and 470. Above 470 can get monsterly crazy for higher level. Next week, if it continues getting crazy, if daily MACD golden cross, we're looking at 470, 477, 487 next major levels. 500 doubted comes this week unless some miracle happens, but it's not impossible to come next week if it goes crazy. Anyway, Tesla insurance data didn't come good in China, and it's gap down. So 181 if you can hold it, 178, 177, 59 is the next major. Need to get above 183.35 for run up. Microsoft showed a lot of strength yesterday. Midday AI news came in. They pushed the IV up, but then they fast killed it. But then it was a non-stop run up into the close. It was a strong close yesterday, but 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar. So keep an eye on 413.94. Past that one, 415.36 is the next major. Above 415, we are good to go for 416, 418, 420 can come. Again, if it goes below 411, can fail and go lower. Google is just yo-yo roller coaster. It goes down, it comes back up. It goes up, it goes down. In general, 4 hour daily weekly is upward, but this one is just wild moves in a tight range. So anyhow, 168.65 pass, 169.75, 171, 173. But again, if it falls, 167, 165, 164 supports, and then maybe bounce up again. In general, pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward, 1 hour is upward. Until the 4 hour is not dead cross, every dip is getting bought. AMD, nice run up yesterday. It showed a little bit weakness at open after a little bit gap up, but then it ran up crazy. So this one follows Nvidia a lot too. Still 4 hour MACD is very bullish on TTM, so it does have a chance for more run up even if it dips. 155, 156, 93, those are the next major. Above that, we're looking at 158, 161, 164. If it pulls back due to Nvidia weakness at open, supports are 152, 151. SMCI 10 points lower, follows Nvidia as usual. Still very bullish on the 4 hour TTM squeeze and MACD. Need to pass 830 for 840, 853. But if it pulls back, 807, 793 are support. SPY gapping up almost 1 point. Next key level is 517.82. Past that one, we're looking at 518, 42, 519, 38, 520, 35. We are not too far from all-time high. And keep in mind, um, if you go look at the weekly charts, last time the weekly MACD dead crossed on the indexes, it went down, then it did some recovery to near all-time high, then it went lower again. So right now the same thing is almost happening. Weekly MACD dead cross, we went down like 5% on the indexes, and right now we're doing a very nice recovery, almost back to all-time high. And next week is OPEX. So my prediction personally is that it's possible into the next week the weakness come again. But so far there's no sign of it, and we need to see what catalysts come or what pushes is there. But for now, until you don't see many names, 4-hour MACD dead cross, direction is still up, and every dip is a buy opportunity. So anyhow, if it dips down 516.26 support, below that, those are the levels. QQQ opening flat for now. 441 if it pass, we're looking at 442, 443, and 445. What else we got here? TLT is running up a little bit, rates going lower. Next target there is 92.22 and 94.98. Long calls can pay well on this one. Daily MACD is golden cross upward, 1 hour, 4 hours upward. So the lower the rate goes, the TLT, the more higher flies. Boeing wild drop yesterday due to news. Need to wait for the next 1 hour golden cross to get interesting. But ARM has earning this Wednesday, and it has a huge effect on semis. Was very strong yesterday, so if it runs up more crazy before earning, 113, 117 is the next target there. BABA is gapping down 2 points. Not sure why, I didn't see any news. But was 79.65. If we can hold it, back to retest lower levels, 78, 76, 75, 37. What else you got here? Disney big dump, 105.96. If you can hold it, back to 102. Below 102, it can go retest 100. Need to get above 109 to go for recovery, but right now direction is way down on the 15 to 4 hour. What else? MU is a lot of strength too. This one again, ARM earnings is gonna have a big effect on it. Next target is 122, 124, 127. What else? Mara was very crazy yesterday too, but right now it's cooling down. LLY jumping back up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. So if this continues going higher, 775, 785 is the next target there. What else? DDOG big dump there, but he's doing some recovery. IBRX, this is an interesting name. Do some research about it. It's a very interesting company. It's on the run up. JP Morgan trying to recover. So if the 4 hour MACD golden cross on JP Morgan, we're looking at 193.77 next target. Above that can run up to 194, 195, 197. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross, 200 call for next week, or 195 is a good to go. Peloton. This one is running up. Circle that is gonna get bought out. So there was a lot of call buying last few days, and seems like a temporary run up ahead. But this is just a trash name anyway. Bidu gap down 3 points. So if you can hold 110, we're looking at 107.98 and lower level. Zeta, never heard of this symbol. I can only tell you technical. I don't have any clue on this name. Looking very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. I do not have levels on this one, so it's making a new high. I will keep an eye on it. Thank you. LLY, I did it. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. That helps a lot. Have a beautiful day.